Hi everyone, it is June, and today I'm oiling my hair because hair growth is what we want, right? And when do we want it? Now. So like I've been saying, well, like I said, I'm doing the neem oil 3 times a week. You can do it every day if you want. I do the neem oil 3 times a week, and I'm doing straight up neem oil. That's right, I am gangsta like that. Straight up neem oil. The smell does not bother me anymore. It really does. It don't. How could that be? I don't know. When I first started, I was like, yeah, I don't know. But I'm putting some in my bottle right now. This is lasting. Look at me. Oh, wait a minute. Look at this. It fits. No. Okay. So, yeah, so I'm oiling my hair today, and I'm doing another neem oil giveaway. That's right. I want to give somebody who really wants to try the challenge, and they want their neem oil. They got to get their neem oil on, and I am going to do a giveaway. Yes, I am. So all you have to do before I get into the chit chat, actually, let's talk a bit before I tell you what you have to do to get in on the neem oil giveaway. So anyway, let's just chat a moment because a lot of you said, well, not a lot of you, some of you said, well, let's go back. I'm sorry. Let me just go. Okay. So majority of you have said on my video, my last growth update video, which I'll have the card. Oh man, I forget what side. It's gonna come out right now. Weep. See that? If you click on that video, it will take you to the last video that I did the hair growth. Now, a lot of you is saying, oh my gosh, you got some good growth going on. Yes. I see it, majority of you, but there were a few of you that said, well, your hair looked wet in the other video, so it might have been the difference, like maybe that was the difference. So, okay, I'll give it to you. You know, this is why I always ask for your opinions, and so many of you are honest with me. So if you want to go back to that video, go back to that video and see. Maybe it is, you know, maybe it is. So I am going to do, when I do my hair growth week 7, I'm going to change it up a little bit and do my hair. I think it was oiled. I don't know, but whatever. So we'll compare it with that one. It won't be so dry and curly, just to be fair to everyone. And then this way you guys can tell me your honest opinions, you know, whatever. So when I got my oil, I've been using the moringa oil, and I love it. I absolutely love it. I put it on at nighttime, and that I do every night. And the next day, even after I wash my face is so, you can feel how supple it is. It feels so much better. So I highly recommend moringa oil. You can do your research on it like I did. Like I did with the neem oil. This is what I'm doing, and I'm loving it. Okay, so of course someone is texting me. Okay, that's my sister. All right, so let's get to oiling, right? Let's get to oil. So let's talk about the giveaway. Okay, so was it last week or the week before I did neem oil giveaway, and was very excited to do that giveaway. I want everybody to get a chance to try neem oil, but obviously I can't give you all neem oil because I ain't got it like that. I am not rich, but I will do this every 2 weeks. I'm going to do a giveaway of neem oil. This way I feel good about giving to you guys. You know, that's what I want to do. I love you all, and I mean that from the bottom of my heart. You know, I know a lot of channels will say, oh, I love my subscribers, but I have to tell you that you guys, it's the same like you guys always, I shouldn't say guys, because 99% of you are women, but we'll throw in those guys too. I don't want to say you people. You I'm gonna say you guys, okay, you guys, I always see like the same people writing, and it just makes me happy because I really feel like we know each other. It's funny because if I go on another live stream, like if somebody's doing a live stream and I chime in and I write to the person, the other YouTuber, it's so weird because a lot of you guys write on there and go, hey June, it's me, and I know who you are right away. So I feel like there's a connection there, like we have a connection. So when I say I love you guys, I mean it, because the support that you all give me is amazing with the hair growth, with anything. If I say I'm being bullied, if this is going on, that, you guys are always writing and lifting me up. And I love that. And I love that. So I need to lift you all up. I really do. I really do. So neem oil, what are we going to do? Ow. Okay. I almost had hair loss from doing that. Okay. So what are we going to do? We are going to, first we're going to massage the head. Always do that. Feels so good. Okay, so what we're going to do is you have to comment down below if you want this. If you want a chance to win this, you have to comment down below. You have to like the video. And you have to write down below, I want the neem oil. Okay? If you don't write, like a lot of you are doing the neem oil already. But if you write, I want the neem oil, I know, yummy. I want the neem oil. I know that you want this. So write it down below, I want the neem oil. So, yeah. And then I will announce the winner. I'm only going to do a couple of days. I don't want it to go on too long. What's today? Monday. So, you know, by Wednesday, today is what? What's today's date? The 24th? September 26th, okay? I will announce the winner of the neem oil. Oh, this feels amazing. It really does. And look what I did, you guys. Oh, what? My nails are short. My nails are never short. No, I always have long nails. I got the gel dipping. I had to, yeah, I had to get rid of the nails for a while. I really didn't want the nails. I'm done. I just don't want to stop this, but I really wish I had somebody to do this for me. I was thinking, you know, like when you go get a, when you get shampooed at the hair salon, I was really thinking about going around the corner and having them just shampoo my hair, because they get the blood really going. I mean, they sit there, and I could bring my own shampoo. I could bring the Dr. Organic soap, whatever. But just to get that and maybe do like a 10-minute wash, I'm going to see if they do that, because that would be crazy. That would be amazing. So, okay. So, yeah. So, see my hair like this, you guys? It's just, you see, I didn't put my hair a certain way or whatever. You can definitely see the thinness is diminishing, and I'm loving it. I'm excited. Okay. Forget that. Let's do some oil. Let's oil. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one in. Usually I keep it in overnight, but it is early in the day, so I might keep it in for maybe 4 hours. I'll do today. Otherwise I do overnight. See, and I'm just spreading it to the other parts of my head. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Don't forget the back. Well, for me, it's the back. Ah. Smell does not bother me. No. It sounds so rough, right? I think my camera just picks it up like that. Because when I hear it, when I play it back, I'm like, oh, it sounds like I'm really hurting my head. But I'm not. Yeah, so who wants neem oil? Who wants that? And it's going to be this brand, because this is the brand that I'm using. It's Naked Neem, fresh from India, organic. Therapeutic, powerful, and pure. Yeah. So, and then maybe we'll do a moringa oil giveaway. Yeah, I'm excited. Maybe I'll do a couple of things next time. But this week, I'm just gonna do the Neem. All right. All right, so I'm gonna get to doing my whole head. I'll be right back, right back. All right, guys, I'm done, I'm done. So what I do is, I don't have a shower cap. I'm nuts. You would think I would have a shower cap by now, like a good shower cap. Being that all this is dry, what I do is, I bring my hair to the front. Look at me. How pretty. Oh, how pretty. Oh, hello. How cute is that? Not really. Wow, doesn't even look like I have any hair loss like this. So anyway, wait, I'm gonna wash my hands. I'll be right back. So yeah, so I'll stay like this for about 4 hours. Drinking my water is so important to drink water. I am back on the keto plan. Huge, big time. It's about taking care of me, my health. I went on my elliptical today, which I have not done in so long. So it is really time to really get serious. I was slack. I was doing good on keto, really strong. And then of course, after a while, just slacking off. And then I realized it's because I'm not exercising. I'm not drinking my water. So, I can drink my water. I have a few of these a day. And getting on the elliptical, and that's it. Taking care of myself because I need to. Yes, I do. Anyway, I love you all. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, and don't forget to subscribe to me and my Instagram, okay? You might see a personal picture of me, the kids, Dennis, a personal moment, and I would like to share it with you guys. So I hope to see you over there too, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.